Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Pay and confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. This ensures you pull the right transactions. Once done, tap Profile or Settings and locate Payments and Subscriptions. This is where statements and export tools live. Make sure app updates are applied and connectivity is stable so the export completes without interruption. Finally, decide your date range and whether you want a PDF, CSV, or emailed summary before moving to the Transactions view. Next, go to the Transactions or Activity tab and apply filters for the exact date range, merchant, or payment method. Filters control what appears on the statement. After confirming the list, tap the menu or Export option and choose your format: PDF for a printable statement, CSV for spreadsheets. If the app offers email delivery, enter the destination address and confirm. Once you tap Export or Download, track the progress indicator and wait for the file to appear in the app or your inbox. Finally, retrieve the exported file in your device Downloads folder, the Files app, or your email. Open it to verify the transactions and date range match. If the file didn't arrive, refresh the activity view, retry export, or clear the app cache and try again. Sometimes stalled exports resolve after a second attempt. If problems persist, contact Google Pay support with specific transaction timestamps and the export attempts. That detail speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.